Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 63 Sandford Road. This is a 4-bedroom semi-detached property with off-road parking here at the front. And then moving inside, where we have the vestibule opening into the hallway here. Lovely space, lovely high ceilings, plenty of character in this property. And starting with the first reception room. Having a bay window here to the front aspect. And then we also have a ground floor shower room. And then the second reception room. This room having double doors going out into the garden. We've got the understairs storage cupboard here on the left. And moving through to the dining kitchen. Very nice bay window here to the side aspect. And a door going out into the garden. Okay, now onto the first floor landing. We've got 4 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor. There's a useful built-in cupboard here on the right hand side. And then first bedroom here, facing towards the front of the house. Further bedroom again here at the front. And the second bedroom, which then faces towards the rear of the property. Then we have bathroom fitted with a lovely roll-top bath. WC, and we also have the wash basin here in the corner. And then the final bedroom here at the back of the property. Okay, that's moving outside into the rear garden. We have a block paved patio. There is also an attached brick built outhouse, quite a good size. And then onto the lawned garden area with fenced boundaries. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.